Alright, still slick out here, but we're going to take a look at the yard. This is my muscadine vine where birds come and land, and there's just a couple in here. I was going to cut it back, and then I saw in the fall how many birds were actually coming, and in winter. It's like 10 birds can come in here. I was like, well, let me keep it. I see some behind me. Alrighty. One thing about walking on the ice is you can actually feel like hear an echo up underneath. Let me see. You can hear it cracking and echoing. Does one not compost when it's cold? Yes, you do. I was looking for my shovel and I can't find it, but here's a stack of wood where the birds come and eat the insects that are burrowed down in there, and they know exactly where to come. I've had this pile for about 5 years, and I eventually want to become a certified arboretum. I think that's how you say it. So you have to have so many stacks like this where they can land and bury for food. I've got 2 or 3 piles of wood here. Here's my compost. Got some bones from my possum girl. But unfortunately, I'm just going to put them out here. She'll come and get them. Her pan is outside. And I'm going to place this in the paper box. She may want to eat some of it. This is just biology. Didn't mean for that to happen. So